Hey, what's up? It's Rising Tech with you guys. If you guys ever have a Note 3 that you guys want to repair the imei, but the phone is on 5.0 and you're having issues trying to, you're getting MSL errors, or and you reset the MSL, because I had that issue with this phone, and it's a Note 3 T-Mobile carrier, and every time I went to run the command to write the cert, well, the phone wouldn't let me because it would give me an MSL error code, and I would reset the MSL. I would go to repair, and I would reset MSL, and it would do it. And every time I did it, and I came back to backup and tried to write the cert file, it will give me an error. So after messing around, taking out the battery, factory reset, and all this other stuff, all I did was downgrade it. I downgraded to 4.4.2, and this is the baseband or build number, if I can focus in on it. NF9. So if you go back to 4.4.2 NF9, I think there's one more version after NF9 that's still on 4.4.2. Just downgrade to 4.4.2. Make sure your phone is set up properly, by, and you come to you go to *pound 0808 pound, and you make sure that you're in DM modem ADB. You hit OK, and that's pretty much it. You don't have to do anything else other than you come to your computer and you write cert, choose your cert file, and once you choose your cert file, it'll start running it. I'm not gonna do it because I already did it. But if you have the problem with the Note 3, well, that's what you do. Just downgrade. If you're having any issues, downgrade. This was on a T-Mobile Note 3 that I had the problem with. So there you go. Any questions, just shoot down in the comments. Thanks.